Come with me while I unbox my new 4K HD digital camera that I got from TikTok Shops. Now, it comes with a manual to show you how everything operates, a charger and export cord, and a carry strap. I did get the soft pink color because I've been feeling very, very girly lately. It is a 48 megapixel and 30 frames per second HD digital camera. It also has a 16x zoom, 52 millimeter wide angle macro lens so that you always get the perfect shot. The lens is super easy to assemble. You just twist it on just like this and you're ready to go. It comes with a flip screen, which makes it convenient to see yourself on the screen while recording. Three lens caps. It has a auto flash for darker environment settings. 2 rechargeable battery packs, which makes it super easy to set up and transport your content. And this camera is actually perfect for vlogging and UGC content, as you can take photos and videos. It has a wide range of settings to film or shoot on. A 32 gigabyte SD card, tripod, microphone, HDMI, and USB port. Now you get all of this for under $70. Now there's no excuse why you shouldn't be able to start your influencer journey today. Get yours today before they sell out. Thank me later. Until next time, XOXO.